Hello friends, I am Aditi from Mighty Munch Kitchen. So today the recipe I am sharing with you is a delicious dry chicken recipe, and trust me, you will not go wrong on this one. It's again very simple to make. So let's begin and have a look at the ingredients. 2 medium sized onions cut roughly, 2 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 2 green chilies chopped, 4 medium sized tomatoes diced, 800 gram chicken legs and thighs. For this recipe I will make a fresh garam masala. If you are in a hurry, you can skip this step and use the garam masala powder instead. So let's begin. In a kadai, let's first dry roast these spices till the aroma comes out of it. And once you can smell it, keep it aside for a while and then grind it in a dry grinder. So now in a frying pan we will put some oil, and once it heats up we will put bay leaves first. Then straight we will put our chicken pieces into it and we'll simply fry them for 2-3 minutes. Once the chicken start to change its color, we will put our green chilies and ginger garlic paste into it and fry it for another minute. Now we can put our tomatoes into it and fry them for 2-3 minutes again. And we can put our dry spices to it now. Salt, red chilli powder. You can put chili powder as per your taste level. Dhania powder. Now we will cover it and wait for our tomatoes to get mushy and soft. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes. Tomatoes have released their juices now. Now we can add our onions to it. Now we can also add our fresh garam masala which we prepared in the beginning. Now let's cover it and let the onions and chicken cook for a while. Around 4 to 5 minutes more. So our chicken is ready. Let's now take it out on a serving platter and garnish it with some ginger juliennes and fresh coriander. So you can serve this as a starter, or you can even enjoy it as a meal if you are on a diet and avoiding carbs. Hope you will like this video, friends. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care.